Guys, stop scrolling right now. If you are still paying OpenAI $20 a month in 2026, you are literally setting your hard-earned money on fire. And I'm not exaggerating. I am saying this with full responsibility because what I am about to reveal will blow your mind. There is massive noise in the AI market right now. You have one side screaming ChatGPT is the king and the other side shouting DeepSeek is the new hero. But let me cut through the BS and be brutally honest with you. DeepSeek is a fantastic tool. I absolutely love it, but it is incomplete. Ask yourself these questions. Can DeepSeek generate a cinematic video for you? No. Can it create hyper-realistic images without a subscription? No. And what about OpenAI? Let's face the harsh reality. ChatGPT has become lazy. It gives you short, half-baked answers, refuses to do complex tasks, and imposes heavy limits even after you pay for the Plus subscription. You are literally getting robbed. But today I'm going to expose a secret trick that will change everything. A hidden loophole that 99% of people are completely ignoring. I will show you step by step how to access Google's most powerful unreleased models, Gemini 3 Pro and the absolutely mind-blowing Veo 3.1 video AI completely for free. Unlimited usage, no credit card required, zero restrictions, and here's the biggest game changer: there are no watermarks on the videos or images you create. You can use them commercially on YouTube anywhere. This is a specific method that exploits Google's business infrastructure, and it might get patched very soon. So listen carefully. I need you to watch this entire video, follow every step exactly, and set this up right now before Google closes this back door forever. Let's break down the brutal reality first. We are living in 2026, and as creators and developers, we don't just need boring text responses. We need a complete AI ecosystem. We need high-level coding that actually works 4K image generation, that looks professional, and Hollywood-quality video production all in one place. OpenAI charges you $20 monthly for a restricted, neutered version of this. DeepSeek is phenomenal for coding, but fails miserably at everything else. But Google's Gemini business platform, this is the hidden beast that nobody is talking about. Most people see the word business and immediately run away because they think it requires payment. But that assumption is exactly where the hack exists. I am going to show you how to enter God mode without using your personal email or spending a single penny. Alright, lock in and pay close attention now. Do not skip this crucial part. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Gemini Business. You will see a bunch of ads. Skip all of them and click on the official Google Workspace link. Now when the sign-up page loads, stop right there. Do not enter your personal Gmail here if you want to keep this account strictly for unlimited testing and avoid any potential flags. Open a new tab and search for temp mail. There are multiple websites. Just pick any reliable one. Copy the temporary email address it generates. Go back to the Google sign-up page and paste that temp email. Google will immediately ask for an OTP code to verify your identity. Switch tabs back to your temp mail inbox, hit refresh, and boom, there it is. Your verification code sitting in the inbox. Copy it, paste it back into Google's verification field, and congratulations, you are inside the system. Once you land inside the dashboard, hold on, don't just start typing prompts yet. You need to unlock the experimental models first. Click on Settings in the top right corner, look for the Model Selection drop-down, and choose Gemini 3 Pro Experimental. Then navigate to the Video tab, and ensure Veo 3.1 is selected and activated. You are now running on enterprise-grade Google servers with priority access, completely free of charge. Now comes the ultimate test. Is it really better than DeepSeek and ChatGPT? Let me prove it to you right now. I'm going to feed both DeepSeek and Gemini 3 Pro an identical complex request. Write a complete Python script for a Flappy Bird clone using the Pygame library with score tracking, collision detection, and sound effects. DeepSeek delivers fast, no doubt about it. But look at Gemini 3 Pro. It isn't just spitting out code. It is explaining the entire logic step by step, adding comments, structuring it professionally. And unlike ChatGPT, which constantly stops mid-response and forces you to click continue, generating Gemini's massive output limit finishes the entire script in one single go. I literally copied this code, pasted it into VS Code, ran it, and it worked perfectly on the first attempt. Zero debugging required. But here is where the competition ends and DeepSeek gets completely destroyed. DeepSeek simply cannot do what I am about to show you next. I am switching to the Image Generation tab within Gemini. Watch this. I am typing a futuristic cyberpunk samurai, standing on a neon rooftop at night, heavy rain, falling glowing katana, 8K resolution ultra detailed. Look at that speed, and look at the insane detail, the reflection of neon lights in the water puddles, the rain particles, the fabric texture. This is Imagen 3 running at full capacity. If you try generating this quality on Midjourney or DALL-E, you have to pay monthly subscriptions. You're completely free with unlimited generations. And finally, the feature that absolutely murders OpenAI's Sora hype and leaves it in the dust: professional video generation. I have selected the Veo 3.1 model. My prompt is a cinematic drone shot, flying smoothly through a dense tropical jungle, slowly discovering a hidden ancient stone temple covered in moss golden hour lighting 4K quality. Let it process for a moment and look at this result. The realistic physics of leaves moving in the wind, the dynamic lighting changes as the camera moves the depth of field. This is Hollywood-level quality. And now look carefully at the corner of the video. Do you see any watermark? Zero. It is completely clean and professional. You can drop this directly into your YouTube videos, commercial projects, or paid advertisements immediately without any attribution required. So let's do the brutal math and compare your options. Option A, you pay OpenAI $240 per year for a lazy, restricted chatbot that refuses complex tasks, and you keep waiting endlessly for Sora access that may never come. Option B, you use DeepSeek for free, which is excellent for coding, but you remain completely stuck with just text. No images, no videos, nothing visual. Option C, you use this Google hack that I just revealed, and you get the best coding AI, the best image generation, and watermark-free Hollywood-quality video AI, all for $0. Forever. To me, the winner is crystal clear and undeniable. Google is currently the complete undisputed king of AI in 2026, period. I genuinely don't know how long Google will keep this backdoor exploit open via temp mail registration, so stop wasting time right now. Pause this video, go create your account immediately following my exact steps. If you found this game-changing hack valuable and it saved you hundreds of dollars, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more exclusive content like this. And if you face any errors while setting up the OTP verification or accessing the models, drop a detailed comment below, and I will personally help you troubleshoot and get it working. Thanks for watching, save your hard-earned money, and I will see you in the next explosive video.